Hello guys, how are you? We have question 5. It says a capacitor with capacitance 2 microfarad is connected to a potential difference of 200 volts. Then it is disconnected from the battery, okay, and connected in parallel to another uncharged capacitor, okay. If the common potential difference is 20 volt, find the capacitance of the second capacitor. Okay, let's first understand the information given. They say that C1 is 2 microfarad, so it's multiple 10 to the power negative 6 farad, right? And it was connected to a voltage, let me call it V1, okay, it was 200 volts. This means I can find the charge on the first capacitor, okay, before it was disconnected. It means I can find Q1, which is CV, right? C1 V1, okay, so I find Q1 equals, it's 2 multiple 10 to the power negative 6 multiply the V1, it is 200, and the answer is 4 multiple 10 to the power negative 4 coulomb, of course. Now maybe somebody will ask me, Mr. why did you find Q1 before we disconnected from the battery? Well, since they say it will be connected again in parallel to another uncharged capacitor, it means this charge, okay, will be divided in the two capacitors. It means after the separation and connection with another one, okay, I will draw, okay, I will have here another one, okay. So this is C1 and this is C2. After they are connected in parallel, the Q, which is this one, is going to be divided between them. Okay, so now after we connect it like this, the Q1, we will call it Q. It is the total. Okay, it will be the total charge. Q in this case is going to be the Q1 after connection and Q2 after connection. I will name it Q1 prime, Q2 prime. Okay, so it's going to be 4 multiple 10 to the power negative 4 equals to Q1 prime plus Q2 prime. Okay, let's save this information or this equation for later. This is equation 1. Now I'm still analyzing the information that I have. I didn't start solving, okay? Now, another information we should remember, guys, after connecting the two capacitors in parallel, they will have a common voltage. So V1 prime equals to V2 prime, which we call it V. Okay, let's call it V prime, okay, which is 20 volt because they are connected in parallel. Okay, guys? Okay, so what do they want me to find? They want the capacitance of the second capacitor. How much is it? Okay, so the capacitance is actually Q over V. Okay, so the V, we just got it. It is here, the 20 volt. How about the charge? The charge is going to be Q2 prime. Okay, so we go to equation 1. From equation 1, I have Q2 prime equals to 4 multiple 10 to the power negative 4 minus Q1 prime. Okay, from this equation I just take the Q1 here to the other side. Good. Okay, so in order to find the Q2 prime, I need to find the Q1 prime. Okay, let's have fun. So Q1 prime equals to C1, okay, multiplied V1 prime, right? How much is the C1? It is 2 multiple 10 to the power negative 6. Multiply the V1 prime, we just found it here, it is 20 volts. So this will give me 4 multiple 10 to the power negative 5 coulomb, of course. Okay, so we substitute it right here. So the Q2 prime equals 4 multiple 10 to the power negative 4 minus 4 multiple 10 to the power negative 5, and this will give me 3.6 multiple 10 to the power negative 4. So now I can use this information right here to find the C2. Okay, so C2 is going to be, I will write it again, Q2 prime over the V, which is 3.6 multiple 10 to the power negative 4 over 20. Okay, which equals 1.8 multiple 10 to the power negative 5 farad. Okay, I hope it's clear. Feel free to watch the question again in order to understand it well. And of course, if you have any question, please leave it under the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.